coughing. It could be bronchitis or pneumonia. Both cause chest inflammation, cough with phlegm, and breathing issues. But here's how to tell them apart. Bronchitis inflames the airways leading to your lungs, mostly caused by viruses like the flu or cold. Symptoms: a deep cough, mild fever, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Pneumonia is a lung infection, often bacterial, like Streptococcus pneumonia. It brings high fever, chills, chest pain, and severe breathing problems. Doctors diagnose with a stethoscope or chest x-ray. Bronchitis rarely needs antibiotics, but pneumonia often does. Recovery: bronchitis lasts 10 to 20 days. Pneumonia can take weeks or require hospital care. To protect yourself, wash hands, cover coughs, get vaccines, and avoid smoking sick people. Stay safe.